When it comes to jacking a car up, we have many an option. We have a hydraulic jack, you can have a scissor jack, you can have a bottle jack. And personally, I prefer the jack that's gonna take less effort. SEESII, they have this nice little kit which provides you everything you need to be jacking your car up and taking your tires off. And not only taking your tires off, also pumping your tires up. So when you open up your case, because again, we have a nice big case with a nice reflective surface on it in case you are gonna be working street side. Inside, we find two big tools. One is gonna be the jack itself, this bad boy. How this guy works is very easy. You have this hard plate on the bottom and you have this piston that comes out. You want to put this underneath one of your jacking points. We connect it via this cable to your AC outlet, and then you can go jacking it up by just pressing a button, such as up. And it jacks up no problem and lowers down. Very easy to be using. Furthermore, also on it, you're gonna have a flashlight and you have a dedicated button for your flashlight, and you also have an air pump, and that's what's hiding in the sides. And these little turntable things, first of all the nozzles you need to jack anything up, and also a few spare fuses. On the other side, if we pop it open, we have our built-in hose. The hose is already built into here. You can never lose it. It has a little screw-on tip. Not my favorite, but they still do work well. And I like that everything is compact and in one place. That really less chance we can go losing anything. Furthermore, you also have a small little impactor. This guy, he looks funny, but he works well. They give you 4 different sockets, most common for your tires. Because again, if you're gonna jack your tire up, maybe you have a flat, you're gonna want to inflate it. If that's not working, you're gonna have to change it out with the donut. And here you have 2 sockets, but in reality they're 4 because they're double-sided. One and also 23 millimeter, you just put it in, and if you want, you can swap it back like such. And here, same story, you have a 19 and a 17. So that's really gonna be the majority of all your lug nut sizes. This guy goes back. The sockets, they do rattle around a little bit. They don't fit in quite as snugly. Lastly, they also give you these alligator clips. These alligator clips are gonna be in case you don't have an AC outlet within the vehicle. I don't know really any car that doesn't have one, but you can connect these guys and you can be using the jump starter from the battery, which is great. And lastly, you also have a little hammer in case you're in a really bad situation, you need to be cutting the seatbelt or breaking the glass. I thankfully have never had to use one of these, but again, peace of mind, better to have one of these probably in your door jamb in case you really find yourself in a pickle. Overall, great tool, very easy to use, and takes a lot of the grunt work out of jacking your car up and taking your tires off. Because if you get a flat tire, or you just need to rotate your tires, having to be wrenching and breaking nuts free is half the problem. And with something like this, you just take it with you, unpack it wherever you're doing the work, and pack it back up when you're done. Hopefully you found this helpful. Stay safe on the road and have the proper tools for each job.